Here's a quick fix, 30-second fix that might be able to save you from calling a technician for your Whirlpool amount of washers that have the LEDs like this. So stay tuned, continue watching. Welcome back, guys. Right here I have a Roper washer. It's actually made by Whirlpool, and right now what we're gonna do is, if your washer's not completing the cycle, you want to try this quick fix. We're gonna go do a calibration. You put the knob pointing 12 o'clock, turn it left once, 3 times to the right, 1, 2, 3, left once, and another one to the right. It goes into diagnostic mode, but we're gonna set it to calibration. We gotta turn it clockwise until you get the rinse light on. Hit that start button, and the unit's gonna go in calibration mode. And it takes a couple of seconds. We're gonna see how long it's gonna take. What it does, the unit calibrates itself. That if you do this, if your washer's not completing the cycle, or you're having issues, you want to try this quick fix first. As you can hear, it's calibrating. Now the calibration is complete. Completed everything. Does it have no issues? The lid lock will stay on. It'll turn off. You can open the lid. So now you got to go ahead and run the cycle and see if it completes the cycle. Subscribe. Hit the notification button below. Thank you for watching.